We were trying to find something to do and decided this was a good place to stop, so we all came here.
Well, people who evacuated the storm are trying to make the most of their time here in the capital city. ABC 27's Gabriela Mercurio spoke with some of those evacuees today.
Many people who found their way to Tallahassee escaping the storm are now spending their days sightseeing and trying some local restaurants. Tiffany Baker is the director of the Florida Historic Capitol Museum. She says September is usually a slow month for them. However, she saw over 150 people visit the museum Wednesday.
Really important for us as the symbolic seat of Florida's government to provide a welcoming space for families to come and learn, but also just to spend this time and as a haven, during this moment. We're really proud of that.
Baker says almost all of them were people evacuating the storm and looking for something to do around town. Chuck Woodrow made his way to Tallahassee Wednesday morning from Venice. Although he's no stranger to the capital city, he's excited to spend some time here.
This is a great time to visit Tallahassee. My son graduated from Florida State, so I always love coming here, and I've never been to the museum, so looking forward to doing the museum and wandering the streets of Tallahassee.
Patty Laney is also traveling from Venice. She says they've been trying some local spots while they're here.
Last night we visited some of the local eateries, and same with this morning, and done a little bit of walking.
Some of those local eateries, like the original Canopy Road Cafe, where manager Marcy Graves says she's seen a lot of evacuees from places like South Florida and Tampa the past few days.
We do have a lot of people that evacuate, and we end up hosting a lot of people here, and they come get some good breakfast. They charge their phones if they need to.
Woodrum is feeling more at ease about sightseeing after an update from home.
We did just talk to our neighbors back home, and everything's fine. We survived. The house is still standing, and everybody's great. So we're very fortunate, very lucky.
Many of the people I talked to today said they plan on staying in Tallahassee through Friday or Saturday. Live in Tallahassee, Gabriela Mercurio, ABC 27.